sorry for that glitch. We'll continue. I'm going to close this like this. So now let me give you a tip. So we're at this point, we want to finish solving this. Now let me give you a tip. We never expand the denominator. Okay, it's recipe for disaster, because it should cancel with something in the numerator so that we can end up with something simpler. So this is going to be, you say the limit as t goes to 4 of, let's see how I can do this. If I look at what do I have? I'm going to change this 1 over t is o squared, right? So you square it, will be 1 squared is 1 over square root of t, o squared is just t. So it's 1 over t minus 1 over 4, right? And here it's like this, and it's all being divided by t minus 4, multiplying 1 over root t plus half. Okay, so now what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to say now, I'm going to simplify the top, okay, to make it one fraction. Limit as t goes to 4. That's a good one. So I'm going to say, what is this going to be? You cannot ever bring two things to one fraction if they have different denominators. So I'm going to have to find the common denominator of these two. The common denominator is easy because you can just multiply t and 4, you get 4t. So 4t will be the common denominator of these two. So I'm going to say they're all going to be over 4t. I'll say t into 4t, it cancels with t, you remain with 4. 4 multiplies 1, it will be 4, minus 4 into 4t, it cancels with 4, you remain with t. T times 1 is t, so it will be like this, 4 minus t over 4t. All is being divided by t minus 4, multiplying 1 over root t plus half. I know that the one I should get rid of is this t minus 4, because it's the one way if I put 4, it makes it be 0. So now, anyway, here when you have two denominators like this, what you just do is you multiply the denominators together. So it's going to be the limit as t goes to 4 of, it's going to be 4 minus t all over, is going to be 4t, this 4t, is going to multiply this second denominator. So it's going to multiply 4t times t minus 4, then times 1 over root 2. 1 over root t plus half. They are all multiplying each other, these three. Now, I want to remove this t minus 4. How am I going to remove it? I have 4 minus t at the top. How do I make it a t minus 4? I put a minus 1 outside of it. So it's going to be the limit as t goes to 4 of here is going to be minus 1 multiplying t minus 4 all over 4t multiplying t minus 4 multiplying 1 over root t plus half. And then what's going to happen is t minus 4 into t minus 4 into 1. T minus 4 into t, they cancel. So it's like this, they cancel. So I'm going to say the limit as t goes to 4 of minus 1 all over 4t multiplying 1 over root t plus half. And I can guarantee you that if you put 4 in here, it is not going to be 0. You can try. You put 4, it's going to be 16 and some number. There's nothing that will make it 0. So this is going to be, we now substitute minus 1 over 4 by 4 multiplying 1 over root 4 plus half. This is going to be equal to minus 1 over 4 by 4 is 16 multiplying. So 16 will multiply. 1 over root 4 is 1 over 2 because the root of 4 is 2 plus half. Like this. So it's going to be equal to minus 1 all over 16 multiplying half plus half is 1. So it's going to be minus 1 over 16, which you can just put as negative of 1 over 16. And I am done. This is going to be the final solution to this one. And now we are only left with one more question and we are done. Well done. You've been very good. Now let's do the last one and we are done.